Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Breeze TV. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to use Canva to create an attractive resume. Yes. Before we dive into the video, if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Now let's dive in. What I've got in store for you, I'd be explaining about how to use Canva, and post that watch this video till the end because I would be revealing how to use Canva Pro for free. Okay guys, we are now into the Canva website. Have a look at it. Don't worry if you're new into graphic designing because Canva makes things very simpler. Let us see what actually is in the website. When you start, you can see a lot of templates based on presentations for social medias, videos and posters, logos, etc. But the thing that we are focusing today is how to design a resume. So we would directly get into that. When we search for resumes, these results popped up. Now pick one which is very attractive and that you like very much. So I've picked one template and I'll be showing how to edit that and use Canva tools in that particular resume. This is the template that I've picked, but I'll show you how I have changed this particular template to the style that suits me. The resume on your screen is my secondary resume and I've made it in Canva. So I wouldn't be explaining what is the matter that I have added in the resume because I have made a similar video to the content in resumes and you can check it out here. Now I'd be talking what are the tools available in Canva and how would we use them to design a template from a raw to an attractive looking template. Now it's time for real editing. Firstly, upload the necessary photos in the upload section so that you can use them later. And next, use elements. This elements section is really cool because you get the circles, squares, all the shapes here. And that is how I created a circle image to the left. And when you overlay the same image to a circle, your photo becomes a circular photo. That is how you do that. And next is text. Text is very crucial because that is how people get attracted after seeing your resume, right? So as you can see, I've used a lot of different text styles and it is very simple. You can just click the text, type it or change it. That's it. And next, audio and video. This is mainly used in audio and video resumes, but in a documental resume, this is not used much. But still, you can add audio and video clips using these options. Background makes a difference. So choose a very good color for your resume and then try out different styles that are there like the gradient style, pattern style, solid color, but don't go into abstract, food and etc. sections. Those don't look good. Once you're done with this, it's time to give them a finishing touch. Go to the filters and effects section in the top. There you see all the finishing touches, like if you want to add any filter to the photo, you can add it there. Or if you want to remove a background, you can remove it there. And next, if you want to change the text size after selecting the text, you do it there. And there are a lot more features, like if you want to lock the photo that you have uploaded or any box that you have uploaded, if you want to lock it, you lock it there. If you want to copy the same style, you use a copy button which is in the right corner. And then last is how you download it. That is the most important thing. If you want to download your resume in PDF, that option is available to the right top. Similarly, you can download an image file. Also, you can share this Canva file with another person for a secondary advice and he can even edit it. This is really cool feature. Let me quickly take you through an overview. Log into Canva, then use all the features and templates available to your preferred style. Try using the tools that I've explained and then download the image. As simple as it is. Now it's time for the reveal of how to get Canva Pro for free. The trick is if you have a .edu email ID, you get Canva Pro lifetime free. I tried it and it worked out. Try it out if you have a chance. Do log in with your EduMail, sign up as a teacher, and you get access to all the features. That's all for today's video. Hope you had a very good information. And for more videos, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.